Welcome to Berlin Felsi Oracle. Today I'm here with the unsaid messages from your divine counterpart. This is a collective reading, so make sure you only take what resonates with you and leave the rest for someone else. The messages that are coming through or which come out are like collective messages, so it can be from a divine feminine or it can be from a divine masculine. It's up to you to read through the messages that I'm giving because it will connect to your soul. You will understand what the cards that fell out. One of the cards is like they feel that they have messed up everything. They feel like they have missed a chance with you, or maybe they feel like things they have not said anything towards you or not approached you, and like that is one of the reasons they feel like they have messed up and they stay awake thinking about you. They keep thinking about you because I got sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. There are times that they don't want to they may be wanting to message you or tell you something, but they don't have the words. That's why I feel like this unsaid messages were necessary. I just got a pull to do it, and it was necessary for somebody out there who needs to hear from their divine counterpart. Their divine counterpart really wants to tell you how they feel about you. They are finding the right words, they're finding the courage, they're finding the words to tell you. They don't have the words at the moment, and that is why my unsaid messages come in the picture. And they really feel like they messed up. There is something they might have done in the past, or maybe they didn't do. It could be something they didn't do. They didn't say it to you, or they didn't tell you or how they feel. They were not vulnerable or emotionally available to you. So those are the ways they feel like they have messed up. And let me see what else. I'm going to remove. These are the last two cards I'm taking. I lost myself for a while. I wish I could share my good news with you. So there was a moment in time that they lost themselves, and that is the time they might have even drifted away from you. They couldn't come forward because they lost themselves. They didn't know who they were. So until they found themselves, and until they found balance in their life, they couldn't come forward to you. And somewhere also I can see that they have some good news that is there. There is something that they want to approach you and tell you about, but at the same time they can't tell you at the moment because you are maybe not in contact, or they have not found the right words to tell you. If you need, I actually was going to stop shuffling, but one card, they are afraid of contacting you. So these cards just fell out of the deck, and I said it without seeing this card that they are afraid to contact you. So I picked up that energy that they want to contact you, but they are very scared to contact you. They felt like the timing wasn't right for you all at that moment, or right, like currently also they may be in the loop of thinking this is not the right time, this is not the right time, this is not the right time. But they need to get out of this loop. They need to come forward with their feelings. They will come forward with their feelings because I got this card, they want to tell you how they feel. So they will come forward with their feelings, but up till now I'm seeing like they have not gotten the courage, or they have not gotten the right words to tell you. And if anybody wants to know deeper about this, or wants to know the energy of their person, or any of the unsaid messages, more specific unsaid messages, you can message me. I can give you these messages right away.